Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to conduct our fourth practical from web services. The fourth practical is in fourth practical. We create the web services in, in one platform and that we consume in another platform. So our practical is yeah, here it is. Develop the client which consumes the web services develop in different platform. So for that we create the web service in using .NET application and that we consume in Java application. So this is our task. So for that we required Visual Studio mm, from 2010 to 15, 17 any version and NetBean 8 series or version 8. Okay. So let's start with the practical. Yeah. First of all, we have to open Visual Studio, whatever the version we have. I have 2010. You can use 15, 17 or 19. File, new, and click on website. Choose empty website. Mm, Here we edit the name. Click on OK. After that, right click on it. Click on add new item and click web services. So here we have web service. Its default name is service. I change it. Change its name. Service. Okay, underscore CL. In this, we create the web service to add two numbers and multiply two numbers, and that we use in NetBean application. So click on add. Oh, I think no. This one not. File new. By mistake, I add web service. Practical 4. Okay. Right click it and add new item. Here you have to add web service. Yeah, here. Click on add. Okay. So by default, hello world method is there. We have to write add method. So I'm writing this. Public. Here we pass the two parameters. We use third variable to store the value. So here I use double sum is equal to a plus b and then return sum and semicolon. Yes, here it is. Same we do for multiplication, just we change its name. Instead of add, we change its name with mul, that is multiplication. Okay. Then we run this application. Click on OK. Add is only created. So here we forget to write this one. So copy this and paste it here. Again run the application. So now we find two operations. Click on service description. So here we get the WSDL file. Just copy its URL and save it in a notepad. And then minimize the application. Just minimize it. Don't need to close it. Okay. After that, we are going to open NetBeans. Here we click on File, New Project, and Java Web Application. Its name, I think, Practical 4. Okay. Practical underscore web service and 4. Click on Next. Click Next and click on Finish. So here web files are created. After that, click on our practical 4 is yes, here it is. Just right click on it, new, and click on other. Click on select web services here. Yeah, here, and click other and click on web service click on web service client. So here we get web service client. Click on next. So here in package, write com.dd, com.dd, and click here WSDL URL. Just paste the URL that we have created after execute the .NET web service. After that, click finish. Okay, so so here in web service references, the web service soap add and multiple multiplication operation is created. Okay, so after that, just create a new JSP page. To create a new JSP page, right click on it, new, and click on JSP. So I change its name, add. Okay, all remain as it is. Click on finish, and after that you find the JSP page open on the screen. Then select the hello world, right click on it, click on web service client resources, call web service operation. Here web service soap, and click add, click on OK. So this web service is added. We have to add two-line code in this. These two lines are here. Here we get the value from text boxes and store it in num1 and num2 variable. So just copy this line and paste it before starting try block. And assign it to variable A and B. Save the program. Now create a index file. It's already created, index.html. You find here, double click on it. Yeah, here it is. And here we add a form with two text boxes with name txt1 and txt2, and also create a submit button that used to submit the data. Just copy the form, paste it here. After that, run the application. Okay, so this is our application. So this is our application. Right click on it and click on run. It takes some time. So here we find the output with two text box and one submit button. Here I write 12 and 12 and click on add number. And here I get the result 24.0. Same this I'm going to perform multiply operation. So for that we create the add.jsp page. Mm, Same we create one more page, new JSP. Its name is MUL, that is multiplication. Mm, and click on finish. Right. This is the JSP page, and JSP web service. Right click on it. Select web service client resources. Call web service operation. Now call the MUL multiplication operation. Mm, Again copy and paste two lines. We paste it here. After that, value of num1 and num2 we assign to variable double variable a and b respectively. All other remain same. Here we create one more button. Just copy this code. Here we change with mul.jsp. And instead of writing add num, we write multiplication or multiply. All other remain same. After that, we run the application. Here we add the two number 5 and 6 and click on multiply number. Oh, here it do the addition. Yeah, here we have to give multiplication sign. Again, run this application. Same we copy and close it. Again, we run the application. Here we get the result 30.0. So in this practical, we first create an web service. Two web services we created: add and multiplication in .NET application, and that we consume in a Java programming. So for that, we create the WSDL file, copy its URL, and paste it in NetBean, and we get the and we consume that both the services, that is add and multiply. So here we end up with our practical session. This is the practical number 4, and you all have to perform. Just send me screenshot when you finish this, and send me its screenshot on my WhatsApp number. Okay. So here we end with session. If you have any doubt or if you find any problem, feel free to call me on my WhatsApp number or just text the message. Thank you.